Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Facebook or Meta Audience Insights. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Meta, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The Facebook Audience Insights, known as Meta Audience Insight, is a powerful tool that helps marketers and businesses better understand their target audience on Facebook. Now, by leveraging this tool, you can create more effective ads, improve targeting, and ultimately achieve better results for your campaigns. You have two options or two methods to access the Audience Insights. Number one is just go to the Meta Audience Insights, click this option right here, and you would be forwarded here. Now, in this Audience Insights tool, you will be prompted to choose an audience to start with. All right, so you have the trends or the trending, you have the demographics, and the potential audience. Now, I'm going to select the demographics. You see, there is a lifetime follower, there is an age and gender, and there's going to be a simple information here that you need 100 followers who are not also friends to see this demographic data. All right, so you need to at least hit this simple requirement. You also have, in terms of the top cities and top countries, you need to have at least 100 followers who are not also friends to see this demographic data. All right, so that, but if you do have, it would auto-populate this information in this section. All right, and it also the same with top countries. You need at least 100 followers who are not friends to see this demographic data. If you click on the potential audience, that tab, now on the potential audience, you see the estimated audience size is around 79 million to 93,500 million. All right, age and gender, and these are going to be the statistics: 20%, 50%, 10, 5, and 0. And the colors are for women and men. All right, you see there's going to be an option here on the filter. If you click that, you would have an option for the specific location, age, gender, and interest. All right, now I'm going to type in a specific location here, for example, New York. When you click that, what will happen is now the data has changed, right? For New York, there's like 7 million to 8 million estimated audience size that you can take advantage to. All right, you see these are going to be the top cities and top countries. All right, and top pages is going to be Walmart, Facebook, Tasty, Amazon.com, Samsung, and a lot more. All right, now with this in mind, now if this seems a lot, you can go head back again to the filter and narrow down on interest. For example, we're just looking for the people with have an interest on sports. Okay, now the sports are categorized to video games, sports clubs, and sports car vehicle. I'm gonna maybe look for the sports, right? You see, you have these, and of course you can put in as much as interest as you can and go back again on the sports, maybe this time motorsports, until we get a little bit of sample size, right? Combat sports, maybe a sports car vehicle, is it? And of course you can also choose a language that you wanted. All right, with that being said, of course you can customize all of the interest related to sports, so you can put in all these sports related, for example, sportswear, active wear, and a lot more. You see, you might want to make sure that the age targeted is just on the perfect range of the sports niche. For example, it's going to be around 18, around those active numbers or active years they are working with that. Maybe around 35, is it? You see, you narrow down here, so it's a lot easier to manage. All right. Now, by the way, if your Instagram account is already active or integrated here on your Facebook Meta, you would be able to see the Instagram followers here and the Facebook page followers as well. All right. After that, you see you can see your audiences in the Ads Manager. Let's click on that. Now, as you can you see, reach the account center accounts who matter to you. You can have the custom audiences. You can create a custom audience, create a lookalike audience, and of course, create a save audience. Now, I'm switching back to my audience insight. Now, once you are happy with this audience, you might want to click on the create audience button here. And of course, you can put in the audience name. In this case, this is going to be Deep Laugh and save audience. Just wait for it. And the audience has been saved. All right. Now, on the left side panel here, you can see that there's going to be an option for the export. You can export as PNG, and you can export as CSV and export as PDF. It don't matter. But for now, we are going to click on the export as CSV. Now, I opened the data I have exported from the Facebook Audience Insight. Now, using the data from the Meta Audience, you can refine your content strategy, add creative, and add targeting. All right. So, and these are going to be the data that you can work with, and you can tailor your content to resonate with the interests and preferences of your audience. For example, if your audience resonate with the types of pages or topics, consider creating content that aligns with these age brackets, right? For men and women, from 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. And the top cities you have targeted is going to be from New York, all right? You can develop ad visuals and copy that appeal to the demographics and behaviors of your audiences for women on these age brackets. You can use insights on device usage and locations to decide where to place your ads. For example, is it going to be mobile only or specific regions? And of course, once you have created your targeted ads, you need to regularly compare it to the insights you gathered. Of course, you can use the Meta Audience Insights to make adjustments to your targeting messaging and ad placements as needed. Of course, Meta frequently updates its tools and features, so you check for any options or changes in audience insights. So you have the followers breakdown. You see, yeah, you can choose the date for Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursday, Fridays, and a lot more on Sundays. All right. So there's a lot that you can work with, and by using the Meta Audience Insights effectively, you can gain a deeper understanding of your potential customers, creating more relevant content, and design ad campaigns that drive better results. All right. And of course, do not be afraid to test different audience filters, like this one earlier, to discover new segments or niches that could be profitable. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.